is going on, guys? Today, we're going to be killing every monster. But every time we try to kill a monster and we don't kill it, we need to switch weapons. So, we should probably start with the bad items, right? No. So, I have 2 shotguns. I'm not using those. I only have $4 million left. Oh, goody. Start making some cash. Some money green. Okay. What item should we try first? What item is good? Okay. I'm gonna try a bat. For the bat, let's try to kill a mimic. Also, we're going to be using a flashlight just so I can see, because that's important. Let's go. A mimic. So if I die while using the bat, I can't use the bat. Bro, my down here is cock going. Okay, wait, I'm gonna get this research point. Yeah, I told you. See, I told you. That was not edited. Definitely not. Give me. Foot. Foot finder. Yes. Joey. Foot mommy. I don't think there's any mimics. But if another monster kills me, and it's not the monster I was going after, it doesn't count. Kinda good. Because the bat is good. Are there even mimics? Hell no, I'm not using this on Spider. You can kill Spider with a stick. Wait, where did I come here from? Jolene. Okay. We didn't find any mimics, but I know there's mimics on here. I'm going to bring a grab. No, I'm just gonna bring a jetpack so I can get back up. Dead? Cooked. That was so easy. This is our reward. Wait, we can kill that with him. First monster. 360 no scope. Okay. Y'all probably like, why are you getting a stick? Because we use a stick to kill a chicken. Chicken! It's bussin'. Go my trusty steed! The frick! My stick broke. He's gonna touch me. I'm gonna have to use RPG for that guy. He lives in a pigsty. I'm gonna have to use an RPG for Ogie Boy with a bag of art. It's just gonna be like a couple RPG games, like though. I'm using an RPG for Ogre. If I lose and I lose RPGs, I'm finna crash out. Because of monsters, but like monsters like cysts, I can kill with like a crowbar if I'm careful and don't hit any of the things. So I don't think Bro, I still have like revolver and shotgun and like a crossbow, which I'm only going to be able to shoot crossbows. Is all I can shoot. Is other crossbows. Skadoosh. Frick nah! Hell nah. He's grabbing a boulder. Holy. Dead? Yes! 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 Okay, I cannot use RPGs anymore. Ooh, maybe this is a sign. Gold items. Like, I don't have golden those, so it's not every item, but it's most items. Like, it's not items that you cannot. Wait, there's a lot of stuff I don't have. Wait, what? There's more weapons that I don't have? Wait, oh. But, like, I'm not gonna, like, be like, oh, yeah, egg launcher is different from RPG. I'm not gonna be like that. What are these? I know there's a golden, and then there's that, and then there's Dragon RPG. There's a golden revolver. Alright, golden revolver. Dragon RPG, the Spear RPG, and what do I not have? I'm gonna go over here, see what I don't have in this metro. It's a lot of stuff. So we're gonna get that's 12 grand down the drain. Okay. Okay, good. This should be enough. This ought to be enough. It should be full. Yeah. Amen. We'll be right back. Yoink. Yoink. Do, 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 do. Oh my god. That was the weird glow stick. Probably one of y'all first items to this game. So when I was a noob, I was like, oh my gosh, backpacks can fit anything in them? Then I realized they can't fit other backpacks. I spent a good 30 minutes trying to put a backpack in a backpack. Don't know how freaking OP lances are because you are probably a noob at the game. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I didn't mean that. I didn't mean that. I better not lose lances. I'm not gonna lose the shotgun because I'm not using the shotgun for these things. I don't like this maze. Where are the monsters? I actually might like poop my pants a little bit. Like, I swear on everything. I just. Is he there? Ah! Is he freaking yelling? You ain't killing me, Little Jim Bob! You ain't killing me, Little Jim Bob! You ain't killing me, Little Jim Bob! Little Jim Bob! Little Jim Bob! I killed him. Wiggly wonglers. I've got a shotgun I'm ready to shove in their nose. They don't have noses. I splashed. Come here. Come here, boy. Get out. Got him. Well, now what? I have one shot left, and I have to open freaking domain expansion to get to the exit. Be right back. This may take 50. My controller!